I figured out how to study so fast, it feels like cheating. You know that feeling? You study for days and still get the same grade as the guy who crammed last night. You sacrifice your free time, skip what you enjoy, and your grades stay average. Here's the truth. You're not stupid. You're just using a broken system. And in this video, I'll show you how to use 20% of your time to get top grades without killing your weekends, but only if you watch till the end. These are simple techniques. Almost no one uses them, and even average students can apply them today. Let's start. First mistake, sugar before studying. Stress hits, you grab sweets. Bad move. Too much sugar slows your brain and kills focus. Instead, nuts, fish, berries. They boost memory without the brain fog. Simple change, huge difference. If you sit down thinking this will be boring and endless, your brain believes you and proves you right. But if you tell it this will be fast and easy, focus improves instantly. Your brain follows instructions, not facts. Say, I'll finish this in 30 minutes, not this will take forever. Expect fast, study fast. No deadline equals endless procrastination. That's Parkinson's law. Set a timer, 30 minutes, nothing more. Your brain sees the countdown and switches to survival mode. More focus, less distraction, faster results. Time limits create urgency. Urgency creates efficiency. Stop studying everything. 20% of the material gives you 80% of the exam. Focus on summaries, repeated topics, past exams. Ask yourself, if I study only one thing, what gives the biggest return? That's where the grades are. Stop reading blindly. Go to questions, model answers, grading patterns. Exams are predictable. If you know how answers are graded, you know how to study. Knowing facts isn't enough. Answering the right way is what matters. Reviewing what you already know feels good, but it's useless. Growth happens where it's uncomfortable. Target weak points. Connect topics together. See the bigger picture. That's how real understanding happens. AI saves insane amounts of time. You can summarize, test yourself, clarify doubts, and plan study sessions in minutes. That's why I created a pack of 250+ study prompts to help you master any subject faster. Your mistakes are gold. Write them down. Review them before exams. Fixing errors locks knowledge in permanently. Stop repeating the same mistakes. If this helped, share it with that stressed friend. And if you think you know a better way to study, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.